Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M8 versus Mercedes-AMG models. We'll explore their performance, driving dynamics, and overall value. The BMW M8 boasts a potent twin-turbo V8 engine, providing exhilarating power. Similarly, Mercedes-AMG vehicles come equipped with powerful V8 engines, ensuring thrilling acceleration and impressive speed capabilities. Both brands offer a truly high-performance driving experience. When it comes to driving dynamics, the BMW M8 is engineered for a more aggressive, track-oriented feel, offering precise handling. In contrast, Mercedes-AMG models often lean towards a luxurious and comfortable ride, blending performance with refinement. Inside, both brands showcase exquisite craftsmanship, utilizing premium materials and integrating cutting-edge technology for a sophisticated cabin experience. Let's talk about pricing and value. The BMW M8 typically starts around $140,000, offering significant performance for its cost. Mercedes-AMG S63 Coupe models, on the other hand, generally begin at approximately $170,000. When making your decision, it's wise to consider long-term factors like depreciation and maintenance expenses to assess overall value. So, which car is better for you? If you crave a more aggressive, driver-focused machine with a track-ready feel, the BMW M8 might be your ideal choice. However, if you prefer a harmonious blend of opulent luxury, refined comfort, and formidable power, a Mercedes-AMG model could be more suitable. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.